As we face growing business demand, diversified business scope, lean organisation, and the fourth industrial revolution, AIB wants to adopt the best solution and leverage industry best practices to tackle new challenges, in compliance with the bank's applicable policies and regulations. Are you confused where to submit your sourcing request and how to check the status of sourcing requests? Are you tired of handling offline and repetitive paperwork? Are you sometimes frustrated by inefficient interactions with suppliers? Now, the AIB e-Procurement system is here to help us. It's an efficient and transparent procurement platform. And it's fully compliant with corporate procurement policy, related directives, and administrative guidance, enabling an optimal procurement process. Procurement activities are now online, making it more efficient. Through role-based authorization, we can also ensure all procurement activities are fully compliant with AIB procurement policies. We can easily see the status of requests, and approvers can review records quickly, making it easier to manage. The buyer side of the AIB e-Procurement system enables us to conduct procurement activities online. And the supplier portal allows suppliers and consulting firms to interact with the bank. In the buyer side of the AIB e-Procurement system, sourcing management, contract management, and supplier management activities can all be conducted seamlessly online. Procurement management decisions take into account business needs, supply conditions, strategy, and risk dimensions. As business needs and market conditions are dynamic, the relevant procurement methods and processes are also dynamic to cater for relevant scenarios. So the system supports us to choose the correct procurement process using an intuitive interface. The sourcing management module enables us to customize and choose an appropriate sourcing method, with relevant sourcing activities based on different categories. This ensures that sourcing activities are conducted in accordance with AIB Corporate Procurement Management Guidelines. In the Contract Management module, the system provides flexibility for the Corporate Procurement Unit, or CPU, to choose and create appropriate contract types and templates based on the business situation. Once the contract has been released, both the requesting department and CPU could check and supervise status of the contract execution to identify and prevent potential risk. And all versions of contract amendments could be saved for future reference. Supplier management has 5 features to engage and manage suppliers and consulting firms. We could invite suppliers to register online and also provide the ability for suppliers to self-register. CPU can perform online supplier qualification for awarded suppliers and consulting firms. The requesting department can also conduct online performance evaluation of suppliers and consulting firms based on different criteria. The supplier management module helps us to better manage the procurement process by standardizing the way we work with suppliers and consulting firms. The supplier portal is a bridge between us and suppliers. Most interactions from the supplier side could be conducted online. These include activities such as checking advertisements, replying to feedback, submitting and modifying supplier information, filling out qualification forms, submitting bidding documents, and checking contract information. In the short term, the AIB e-Procurement system moves previously manual work online, removes paper from the process, so increases transparency and efficiency. It also reduces risk, as we can better manage our suppliers, and processes are fully compliant with AIB policy. In the long run, it will help us uncover valuable insights from historical data and completed cases to optimize our corporate procurement management.